Hello friends, in today's video we are going to talk about how you can buy pepecoin. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So to buy Pepe, you will need an account on MEXC. I will leave a link in the description where you can sign up using the link and you will be getting few USDT, and also there won't be any buying and selling charges. So let's start with the video. As you can see, I am on my MEXC mobile app right now. All you have to do is you will need to go to market. In market, on the top you will need to search for a trading pairs, which is Pepe. So just click on the spot one at the down, Pepe USDT. Now you will need to deposit some USDT. You can go ahead and deposit it, and once you have USDT you can simply click on buy, and it will show the amount of USDT that is available. Now since I have bought other tokens using USDT, that's why it's showing very less balance. So all you have to do is you need to put the amount over here. Let's say if you want to put in 1000 USDT, then you will be getting close to, this one is 90 million Pepe tokens. Although this is not a financial advice, do your own research before investing into any crypto, as crypto investment is risky. Now once you have put the amount and if you have enough USDT balance, you simply go ahead and buy, click on buy Pepe. So as you can see, I don't have sufficient balance. That's why it's showing insufficient balance. But if you have it, it will directly go ahead and trade it. Now, if we go and check my wallet, I have few tokens over here, which is ADA, Solana, Snake, Polygon, and Polkadot on MEXC. I have other exchanges also where I keep buying and selling crypto coins and tokens. So this is very simple as to how you can buy Pepe coins. And in case if you still have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.